So if you are someone who is into crypto, who is investing in crypto and who is earning in crypto, so you should also know the easiest way to withdraw and spend your crypto in real time. So as we all know that in today's time we have crypto cards which help us withdraw crypto and spend crypto anywhere, any part of the world without worrying the P2P transaction which we do usually to get out our crypto into our native currency. So a lot of you guys might not have crypto card because of the price which it comes, but what if I tell you you can get a crypto card for absolutely free if you watch and follow this particular video? Yes, you heard me right. Those who are watching the video right now, congratulations, you can get a free crypto card. So watch the video, I'll be explaining you the steps and I'll be showing you what exactly you need to do to get this particular card. So before starting today's video, let me tell you I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you consult your own financial advisor before investing in the cryptocurrency and other markets, because these markets are subjected to risk. So Nitron Crypto has done a partnership with WebitPay, one of the leading cryptocurrency card companies right now, and because of these partnerships you are going to get a free crypto card. The process is going to be very simple. First and foremost, you need to download the application of WebitPay. It is available in App Store and Play Store from the link in the description, or else the link will be there also in our Telegram channel. So once you finish your download, make sure you sign up your email address and also make sure you enter the referral ID properly, which is also in the description and also you can see on the screen right now. Once you've done the sign up process, you are welcomed aboard, and this is going to be the interface here. So here, as you can see, you can apply card. There is an option to apply card. So there are two types of card, as you can see, Webit Purple and Webit Black. So you are going to get this virtual card which you can use it for online purchases. You can use them on Apple Pay and you can use them on your Google Pay also. So once you click on the apply, it shows you 5 USDT. I'll be telling you a coupon code which if you use it, you're going to get it for absolutely free. So as you can see here, you have to click on the promo code option and you have to enter the promo code which you are seeing right now on the screen, which is known as Nitron, NIGHTRON. Once you click on that, just press on apply. So as you can see it here, I'm getting this for absolutely free, that is $0. You will also be getting it for free if you use this promo code, that is Nitron. And if you want the physical card, it will be also delivered to your address. You are going to get it for $70. Usually it is costing almost $100, $30 you will be getting discount if you use the coupon Nitron1. I'll be also giving that in the description. So for you guys to show that it works all over in any part of the world, I used it in India. As you can see here, Amazon Pay India, I have purchased almost worth of 1031 INR, that is going to be $11.29. This is on Amazon. So first and foremost, you need to go to the wallet section here and you can deposit USDT from your exchange or from your wallet. You can top up using BTC, USDC, USDT, Ethereum and BNB. Once there is USDT available, there is the option of card option. You can get your card details by pressing on view option here, and you can add your card in all of the shopping applications or app store, anywhere you can add it and use it as a payment method. But before that, obviously you need to complete your KYC and you need to bind your phone number. That's it. So as I said, it's a very well-known crypto card and it has over 200 plus countries supported. You can use it globally, anywhere, any part of the world. And as I said at the beginning, it is integrated with Apple Pay and also with Google Pay, and they have proper encryption and they have also real-time fraud monitoring system. So in today's world, if you're looking for a crypto card, that too for absolutely free, which works absolutely fine anywhere, any part of the world, this is the best card for you, which you are going to get for absolutely free. The virtual card, you're going to get it for free. The physical card, it will be costing you $70. So if you're fine with the virtual card, it also works any part. You can use it on Zomato, Amazon, different shopping options. You can also tap and you can pay, and in ATMs there is an option for tap and you can withdraw the money also from that. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys have understood today's video. I'll be meeting you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.